All 4 of them are sitting there on Zoom with me. And at the very beginning, a man walks in and says, they're here for me. He said, but they're upset about the way I passed. And he goes, nothing went wrong. He goes, I had the most amazing experience in passing. And he goes, but it doesn't look that way. And I said, wait now, I see a little boy coming in. And she goes, what? And I said, there's a little boy. But he shows me he's got swim trunks on. And he says to me that he died in a swimming incident. And I said, what do you mean? And then he shows me like another TV screen. And he shows where he's in a lake and he dies in the lake. He drowns. She did confirm that he had a brother who died in a swimming accident as a child.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Now, when he sees his brother approach, he's freaking distressed. So
you could be listening right now. Coffee with the Sarlos airs early for our patrons on patreon.com/the Sarlos.